today we're going to do an experiment. The experiment's name is Catching Fish is Fun. We need a pencil with a rope, a fish, a paper clip, a nail, and the small neodymium magnet. It's so small. First, we have to take our rope and pencil. Then we attach the sharp side in the rope. And then we take our small neodymium magnet and attach it to the bottom. Then we take our fish and attach it with a paper clip. Then we're going to put our fish in a bowl of water. Then we take our rope and pencil with the magnet and look guys, it's going up. You can detach it to play some more.